Hi, in this video I will show you how to set up and use the bill calendar. To keep things working correctly, most formula cells are protected, so that you don't accidentally change something important. If you see a warning message, it just means that cell shouldn't be edited. Also try not to move the cells around, as it could mess up how the spreadsheet works. Now let's get started. First, there is the README tab, which contains detailed instructions on how to use the spreadsheet. The tracker itself is made up of two main tabs. The first tab is the bill setup. This is where you will enter your bills. Just type the names, due dates, and amounts. Make sure to log each bill for every month, so that they will show up properly in the calendar. Let's add, for example, a few bills, like rent, internet, utilities, and insurance. Now let's move on to the monthly bill calendar. To begin with, you will set up your month and year, and the calendar will automatically update. You can also choose whether you want to start the week from the Monday or Sunday. You will see the monthly bill table, which pulls data directly from the Bill Setup tab, based on your chosen month and year. When the bill is paid, simply check the checkbox, and your progress will be reflected in the progress bar at the top. This will give you a clear overview of what has been paid and what is still due. Just a small note, when switching the months, be sure to uncheck the checkboxes, since this part cannot be automated. This tracker allows you to track up to 8 bills per day, but if you need more, feel free to reach out and I will be happy to customize it for you. You will also see your weekly expenses, helping you to keep an eye on how much you are spending throughout the month. And finally, at the top, there is a comprehensive summary that gives you a quick snapshot of your finances. You will see your total bill amount, the amount you have already paid, the remaining balance, and even the count of how many bills have been paid. That is everything you need to know how to use the bill calendar. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment or send me a message. I have included my contact info in the description below. Thank you for watching.